Maraming salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa ating mga Ilocano. Just check nila na yung magabigat. Sa ating mga Bisaya, daghang salamat. Tama ba, Jamie? Una-una po, I'd like to thank, of course, ang haba po ng pangalan, but let's just say, Yorme Isko. And of course, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Senator Joey Lina, my friend, the talented singer Crystal Bagatsing, my PJN family, all of my kakaibigan from Ilocos Norte, sa lahat ng ating kasama sa City Hall. Once again, a very good morning to all of you and thank you for joining us this morning. Though I know you're not here for me, you're here for your men. And of course, my only and better half, Jamie Harold, thank you for accompanying me. Sa mga marunong mag-Bisaya, siya po ay isang Bisaya. Hindi siya mukhang Bisaya, but testing nyo, kaya yan. First and foremost, I'd like to thank each and everyone who has made this P2C possible. I recall, Yorme, I visited you on October 15 to beg and request that you welcome us dito po sa ating City Hall. And you were so proud to tell me that you are original KP. And your mother was a loyalist and you were there when President Marcos Sr. returned. I was not there. I was born po in 1988. Yorme and I are of different generations, but we see eye to eye. Manila is truly lucky to have Yorme Isko. We need more leaders like Yorme. A self-made man who has improved so much, yet dreams to do so much more for Manileños. Someone like me who believes strongly in the importance of good governance and real action. Bilis kilos, hindi bilis salita. Tama po? In 2025, Isko ran on the campaign slogan, "Let's make Manila great again." Does that sound familiar? Yorme, we don't forget these things and we deeply appreciate you. Kahapon lang po, kasama ko si PBBM. Sabi ko po sa kanya, imi-meet ko po si Yorme Isko bukas. Sabi niya, alam mo, magaling siya, epektibo. Pag may ini-implement sa Metro Manila, palagi daw nauuna ang City of Manila. In this sad era of flood control, allow me to conclude on a quote of our shared idol, Lee Kuan Yew. The moment key leaders are allowed to get away with corruption, the moral authority of the government is gone. We need strong and moral leaders now more than ever. And we are reminded that the power of government does not lie in the person, with all due respect, Yorme. It does not lie in the office. It lies in you and your vote and your trust. To our dearest Manileños, thank you. With every purchase you make here at RP2C, you are directly helping our Ilocano farmers. Hands that have toiled for centuries harvesting high-quality crops. Sa amin po, walang shortcut. We farm the right way, the old school way. We can guarantee the quality And if not, ako na po bahala. Ako na po ang mag-exchange or mag-reimburse kung may reklamo po. We also hope to welcome all of you to Ilocos Norte. Please, please, come visit Ilocos Norte. Yorme, baka gusto po nila mag-team building sa South Beach, Pagudpud. Bias po ako, but as I always say, only in Ilocos Norte can you get a slice of Dubai in our sand dunes, a slice of Boracay in Pagudpud, and a slice of Baguio in Solsona, Apayao. Come enjoy all the sights, all the empanada, longanisa, and bagnet. This is not an empty invite. Please, please come visit Ilocos Norte. We will show you the very hospitality that you have shown us this morning. We wish the City of Manila, and most importantly, all Manileños, only the very best. May God bless the City of Manila, and may God bless each and every Manileño. Maraming salamat po.